Welcome to the amazing power of WuJi Gong, or Tai Chi for Enlightenment. Why is this form so special? Well, at the core of every human being, there is only love. There is only silence and love. And actually that silence and love arises out of a place called a mystery. And that mystery, the Taoists called WuJi. So WuJi Gong means skill. Gong is a Chinese word for skill at entering the mystery. So every human being is really at core a mystery. And out of that mystery comes this incredible love, this unity consciousness. WuJi Gong acts like a bridge between your personality, which often doesn't feel the love at the core. And there are many reasons for that. There are many reasons why our personality doesn't feel that love at our core. And, you know, we can say that our conditioning when we were raised as a child, our culture, we can say our astrology, we can say, you know, the influence of where we were born. I mean, there are so many influences that keep us really locked away from that love. And what I see is that many people try and fix things at the surface level. And what I've discovered is that the most powerful way to shift your life is to open up communication with this love at your core. So it's the most incredible form, it's the most incredible gift for opening up the connection to your source, to your soul. And I really recommend you give it a chance in your life. It is the most beautiful way to honor yourself as a human being. And if you've been frustrated in your life, if you feel really frustrated that maybe you have many areas of your life together and you feel like, oh, if I can only just get this one area of my life more in harmony, then I really recommend asking your core, asking that depth, that deep part of you, that unconditional part of you, to help resolve that, to help you open up communication with the part of you that's love. And love always dissolves, always brings together the paradox, the conflicts of our personality. So I encourage all of you to learn WuJi Gong and to really invite a magical flow into your life. Thank you.